Had it all. You had to watch it crash again. Now you know, now we know. Ayo. You have more strength than a military tank full of bullets. I know what you're gonna own it like you're bowling it straight, but you was pulling away and I was out of place. The more you backed up, the more I was up in your face. Not meaning harm, just attracted by charm, but due to my pushy arms, I put you out further than Mars. Woulda, coulda, wasn't in my thoughts. I shoulda, but was terrified. I would've stopped. You coulda rode off and I would've been lost. I wasn't chancing for it, put it off. Could've been caught, not with the law. Shot a rocket and I was on top. You made it very clear, but I didn't hear, cause I didn't wanna face what I feared. Not being near, it wasn't my steering wheel to steer. Your heart was being chiseled and sheer, more in a week than a year. There may never be a cure near here for the way that I act and appears selfish and I'm here. Had it all. You had to watch it crash again. And now you know, and now we know. Ayo. You're not invincible from harms and scars. It was the sharp tooth of a shark that tore you apart, and the darn water that drowned out your spark. But you still have more heart than a centipede has arms. So I was having an epiphany, and it's you that I envy, and these drugs are still in me, so I'm still feeling empty. Can I manage a voice? Silence is devilish noise. I want a choice. A bone in this coin, but I'm dealing with this feeling of illness. It's keeping me from chilling. Hasn't been healing, it's only killing by drilling. Adrenaline, venom, and building and filling it to the ceiling. I'm living ill and it's tilling my grave for the feeling to fit in. I'm giving in, cause I haven't gotten off. Just put my body in this box, drop the hatch, unlock the top. I won't hurt you, this is how I promise to stop. You had it all until you call and the call drops and you know it's gone. Had it all. Hope you liked it.